Hello, I welcome you to Titanium Studio courses. My name is Navid Valizadeh and I'm a senior weapon artist with 8 years of experience. In this fully narrated 20 hours course, we are gonna create iconic Desert Eagle pistol for modern first-person shooter games from scratch, covering every aspect step by step. We start by gathering references, creating the blockout mesh, low poly and high poly in Blender. Then we establish UVs using Blender own UV tools without any external add-on. Bake textures in Marmoset toolbag, creating believable photorealistic textures using Substance 3D Painter from scratch. And finally render using Marmoset toolbag 4. This course is not for absolute beginners, so I expect you to have some basic knowledge of Blender and Substance Painter. But intermediate users and also professionals could learn a lot from techniques and workflow which I show you in this course. So if you want to learn how to create game-ready weapon, enroll now and take your skills to the next level. See you in the next course video and start our journey.